How to fix current network is unavailable problem on Mobile Legends. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Now head to the Play Store, tap on the search icon, and search for Mobile Legends. Now tap on the app and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen, open the settings application. Now go to apps, tap on app management, and search for Mobile Legends. Now tap on force stop, go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart your device. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.